Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Gemini to n8n, and we'll test it out by having Gemini summarize a PDF document for us. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and head over to studio.google.com. That's Google AI Studio. Go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, look over on the left side and click Get API Key. Then up in the top right corner, you'll see Create API Key. Let's click that. A pop-up will appear asking you to create a new key. Under Name Your Key, just type something simple like Gemini n8n key. Now go to Choose an Imported Project and open that drop-down to select your Google Cloud project. Once you've picked a project, the Create Key button will light up. Go ahead and click it. Google will generate your Gemini API key. Just click the copy icon to grab it. And remember, keep this key private. Don't share it or show it on screen. Alright, now let's jump over to n8n. Click New Workflow and give it a name. Let's call it Test Gemini API. Hit the plus button, search for Manual Trigger, and add that in. This lets us run the workflow manually whenever we want using the Execute Workflow button. Next up, click the plus icon again and type Google Gemini in the search box. You'll see a whole list of actions pop up. There are audio actions, image actions, text actions, and more. For this demo, we'll keep things simple. Under Document Actions, let's choose Analyze Document. Go ahead and click that. At the top of this node, you'll see where it says Credential to connect with. Click Create New, paste in that API key you copied earlier from Google AI Studio, and hit Save. Perfect. We're now connected to Gemini. Let's leave Resource Set to Document and Operation Set to Analyze Document. For the model, we can keep it on models/Gemini-2.5-Flash. That works great. In the text input box, let's type, Summarize this document in 3 simple bullet points. For input type, choose Document URLs. Now paste in a public PDF link. I'm using a sample PDF from a Google AI competition page here, but feel free to use any publicly accessible document. Alright, moment of truth. Let's click Execute Workflow. You'll see the manual trigger run first, and then the Analyze Document node kicks in. Now open up the output panel for the Gemini node. And there we go. Gemini's response with a nice clean summary of that PDF in 3 simple bullet points. This tells us our API key is working perfectly inside n8n and everything's set up and ready to roll. If this helped you out, go ahead and subscribe for more quick n8n and AI automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.